For our most recent Robot in 3D build, we utilized a wheeled Boulder launcher and roller intake to accomplish scoring in the high goal. For this design, we utilized 2 pairs of 4-inch high grip wheels for the shooter and a pair of 6-inch high grip wheels for the intake. Their gearbox are 3 Modulux lunch boxes with 2 pieces of Modulux channel, which also makes up the primary structure. This design allows us to quickly optimize many variables such as squeeze on the boulder as it is fired. They are powered by 3 sim motors which are geared up 32 tooth gear into a 28 tooth gear for the shooters and geared down with a 12 tooth gear into a 56 tooth gear for the intake. The system begins with the intaked wheel, which is also functioning as an indexer, absorbing the boulder, storing it, advancing it to the shooter, or spitting it out of the robot. The boulder is ejected by 2 counter-rotating wheels which spin at a rapid rate of speed. The 2 pairs of wheels are also spinning at different speeds. Changing these speeds changes the velocity, trajectory, and spin of the ball, which is what allows us to shoot from many positions without changing the angle of our assembly. This design was also heavily inspired by the original Modulux shooter, which was utilized to shoot basketballs in 2012. This design, which at the time was also conceived and built in less than a day, helped us guide our gearing selection and design. We have produced a rough CAD of this design, which we hope will help inspire your design process. It's not complete, as it's missing most of the hardware and the backing to the assembly, but it should be enough to get you started. The CAD can be found on robotin3days.com, and many of the parts for this assembly can be purchased from AndyMark. And remember, if you're going to build a shooter, make sure you have a way to target the goal. In our case, we used a flashlight inspired by FRC 180 Spam's photon cannon. And when you manage to build a successful shooter, make sure to congratulate your teammates. High fives are an acceptable means of congratulations, but by no means copy the form used by the engineers in this video. It's fairly awkward and should never be duplicated. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, comment, or leave a like if you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more.